Why is correctly assigning cybersecurity oversight crucial? And how can boards and C-suites avoid misassigning it? Welcome to CyberBoardCast episode 244. I'm Andrzej Cetnarski for CyberNation Central. Misassigning cybersecurity oversight is a common mistake that creates critical gaps in responsibility and accountability. Often, cybersecurity is left to the IT department or the CISO, without proper oversight from the board and C-suite. And even if the board has oversight, it often is misassigning its own cyber fiduciary duties. Think about that. Maybe even your own board is in this bucket. These mistakes lead to a narrow and limited view of cybersecurity risks. Consider the case of Marriott International in 2020. The company suffered a significant data breach that exposed the personal information of over 5 million guests. The incident highlighted inadequate cybersecurity oversight and misassigned responsibilities. The board's lack of direct engagement in cybersecurity governance led to insufficient risk assessment and poor response strategies. This oversight gap resulted in severe financial losses, regulatory scrutiny, of course, and significant reputational damage, and therefore loss of revenue and loss of customers. So how can boards and C-suites fix this issue? Here's our solution playbook in a nutshell. First, clearly define oversight roles. Assign specific cybersecurity oversight responsibilities to board members and C-suite executives, each and every single one of them. This ensures that cybersecurity is integrated into strategic discussions and decision-making processes from there. Each fiduciary role, from Chief Business Development Officer to the CHRO, Board Chair, and Finance Committee, has a clearly defined cyber role, not just the CISO. If you think about it logically, kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Similarly to how in a physical organization, every executive and every fiduciary on the board has a role, the same is true in cyberspace of your organization. Think about it logically. Most of fiduciaries are currently unaware of what theirs is, much less executing it. Second, establish a cybersecurity committee. Create a dedicated cybersecurity committee within the board to focus on cyber risk governance. This committee should regularly review and update cybersecurity policies and strategies to stay ahead of emerging threats. And bear in mind, the audit committee cannot fulfill this role, contrary to popular belief. It's historically focused. Cybersecurity is innovation and therefore future focused, not just risk. Third, regularly review cybersecurity posture. Conduct regular reviews of the organization's cybersecurity posture, including risk assessments, incident response plans, and compliance with regulatory requirements. Fourth, ensure cross-functional collaboration, promoting collaboration between the Cybersecurity Committee and other board committees like Audit, Risk, to ensure a holistic approach to risk management. Misassigning this portion to one committee leads to blind spots yet again, and ineffective governance as a result. Finally, fifth, engage external advisors. Utilize external cybersecurity advisors to provide additional expertise and perspective during board meetings. These advisors can offer and should offer valuable insights and help boards stay informed about the latest cybersecurity trends and best practices. Correctly assigning cybersecurity oversight is crucial for effective governance and robust cybersecurity. By defining oversight roles, establishing a dedicated committee, regularly reviewing the cybersecurity posture, ensuring cross-functional collaboration, and engaging external advisors, boards and C-suites can significantly enhance their organization's cybersecurity governance. In our next episode, we'll address mistake number 4, failing to invest in robust cybersecurity measures, and how to address it without also breaking the bank. Fortify your board and C-suite cyber governance with the Certified Cyber Fiduciary CCF certification, Fiduciary Intelligence Suite, Advisory, and Directors and Officers Network from CyberNation Central. Schedule your consultation at cybernationcentral.com. Until next time, stay vigilant and proactive.